Hey everyone, Queer V here, ready for a Paletteful Packs unboxing. Woo! Are you guys ready? I'm ready. So this is the August Petite box, and I do have some stuff that I want to talk to you guys about, but I know some people are coming here just for the unboxing, so I'll do that first, and then I'll have some real talk. Alright? So if you're interested in that, stay tuned. Here is my Paletteful Packs unboxing. What's inside this box? Wow! Oh, there's no wormies. There's no wormies. But okay. This is like a pencil case. Paletteful Packs. Lots of pencils. Mars plastic. I have this from an Art Snacks box. Wolff's carbon. Oh, there's so many pencils. Holy crap. And dark Derwent onyx. Aquarellable. So I guess it melts in water or something. I don't know. That's interesting. Then this huge giant blending stick, which mine got kind of, I don't know. Oh, another art eraser. Okay. This is such a pretty color. Oh my gosh. Pentalic Traveler Pocket Journal Sketch. Recycled paper. Heck yes. Okay. So this is interesting. It's just a ton of pencils. I wish there was color. I wish that it came with a colored pencil or two. But this is really cute. Let me look up the menu real fast. I mean, I'm gonna edit this, but I'm gonna pull up the menu real fast. All right. Alright, so Paletteful Packs this month had an issue with their printer, and instead of wait for the issue to be fixed, they just sent out the boxes so that we could open them. So I'm having to read it off of the computer. So actually, let me just. Oh well, you're gonna have a not backdrop for a hot second. I can't read it from over there, so. Too bad. You can see my room. Okay, so it says Pencil Palooza, August 2019 Petite Pack. Wolff's Carbon Pencils. Wolff's Carbon Pencils are considered by many artists to be the finest drawing and sketching pencils available. These pencils offer the advantage of both graphite and carbon. Carbon, being a pure element, doesn't contain the resins and byproducts created by the heating process used to make charcoal. Since these pencils are made of carbon, they have a fine grain with consistent texture. They allow you to draw velvety black lines easily and fluidly with their consistently smooth texture with no hard spots. Retail $14.95. Derwent Onyx pencils. These super dark pencils feature smooth graphite that produces jet black tones, darker than a 9B, and smudges easily for blending. Its non-crumbly texture sharpens and maintains a consistent point. Retail $1.99. All-Stabilo multi-surface graphite pencil. A water-soluble pencil that will mark clearly, densely, and legibly on any surface, including acetate, paper, glass, metal, photo, and film. Wipes off with a damp cloth on smooth surfaces and erases on paper. Retail $1.60. General's Draughting pencil, even though it looks like Draughting. General's Draughting pencils features a smooth, thick core, extra soft 2B graphite lead. They are great for sketching, layouts, drawing, shading, highlighting, and detailing. Retail 81 cents. And then the Pentalic Turquoise Traveler Pocket Sketchbook, 4x6. Wherever you go, capture life as it happens with this art journal designed to fit anywhere. 160 pages of acid-free, slightly toothy, recycled 74 pounds bright white sketch paper is perfect for sketching, notes, and field work. Includes an elastic closure, ribbon marker, back page pocket, and flexible water-resistant Italian-made cover. Retail $9.95. Paletteful Packs pencil case. Woo! The Paletteful Packs pencil case is a small pouch that is perfect for holding pencils, tools, and other small supplies, and is just the right size for fitting in a supply bin, tote bag, or backpack. It's made of durable felt fabric and has an easy glide zipper. Retail $5.45. And then there is drawing accessories. Blending stumps, retail $2.55. Stumps. I just got one. Was I supposed to get more than one? White plastic eraser, retail $1.70. Black plastic eraser, retail $1.37. Alright. And now the Paletteful prompts. The week 1 is still life. Week 2 is heroes and villains. Ooh, week 3, the year 3000. And week 4, summer. These are some really good ones. These are some really good themes. I really like that. That's cool. Alright, I don't even know if my camera's in the correct place now. But it's not. Okay, so it's not bad. I mean, again, I wish that there was some color, at least like one colored pencil or something. This doesn't feel like the softest pencil bag ever, but that's okay. It's cool that they included a pencil bag. That's actually really nice. They didn't have to do that with the prices of all the other things. So I'm really glad about that, actually, even though it kind of, I don't know, it's weird. I don't know how they made it, but pretty cool. Pencils are pencils. I don't know what else really to say about them, and all of these are very, like, darker ones. They're not H's, these are all B's. And yeah, so they're all very dark pencils, and I'm not sure how much I'll use them, although I have been using graphite pencils more, and the carbon actually will be pretty cool. I haven't used that really, so ooh, this is so cute. Like, honestly, I don't need this, but it's like really cute. Oh my gosh, this is really cute. You know, like, the one thing that would make this like 100% perfect, if it was square. I'm cursed because I adore the square size like so much, you guys. Like, it is ridiculous how much I want things to be square. Oh, it has a little bookmark though. That's really nice. I might use this as something other than a sketchbook, because I don't like this size. I don't like this shape for sketching, but this is a really nice little journal. It actually kind of makes me think of my bullet journal, so maybe I'll use this for, like, I don't know, like planning other things or something, or I don't know. It's really cute, but I don't know if I'm going to use it for sketching, to be honest. But that's because I'm very picky these days. But yeah, so I've never had a black eraser, though. Like, I'm weirdly excited for this eraser. Is that weird? It's so, like, black. Oh, there's like it's like printed or something. That's cool. Oh, it's the little Staedtler logo. Sorry, words. Okay. I don't know why this is like blurry. I'm sorry. I don't know why it's like not focusing. I wish I could do something about that. But I guess since these are like carbon pencils, they're not like normal pencils, so that will be cool. I'm not like disappointed in this box exactly, but I am not as huge of a fan of the like pencil-y pen boxes. Like, I prefer color and like fun things to work with. And last month we did get like markers, so I would have liked something more like, I don't know. I guess that one was kind of paint. It was like, those are like watercolor brushes, so I guess it doesn't really count, but they're kind of markers. But yeah, this is really pretty. I just wish that it was like a square, honestly. Like, if it was a square, I would use it probably every day. Like, maybe I should just like cut it. I don't think so, but I'm just kidding. Don't think I can do that, especially because this pocket wouldn't be a pocket anymore. Yeah, that's the reason. But yeah, okay. I guess I will stop talking about this stuff now, and I will just have a chat with you guys real fast. Let me see if I can do this while I'm doing it. Yeah, okay. All right. So, hello. Hello, my friends. It is I, the V. I'm still here. And yeah, I've been going through a lot of stuff lately, and I guess I just wanted to touch on it a little bit. There's no like easy way to say this, I guess, but recently I was diagnosed with borderline personality disorder, and there's nothing wrong with that. There's nothing wrong with that. It's just, I don't know. Lots has been going on, and it's been intense to deal with, and I'm glad that I maybe finally got the right diagnosis, like, to get better help. But I have been kind of all over the place and kind of like not sure about who I am, and like, I don't know, being a person's really confusing and hard. And it's hard to be alive. I don't get it. I don't know. I don't get why other people do it so easily, and it's just like not as painful for them. I don't know, but I just wanted to let you guys know that is what I am, so that I can better connect to my audience. Maybe some of you out there also have BPD. I don't know. Maybe you have loved ones who have it. It's very intense, and it's very painful, and it sucks. But at least now, hopefully, I can get better help. So that's the plan, and I'll keep you guys updated. But I did make a second YouTube channel for vlogs, so I've just mostly been doing like unboxing stuff, but I plan to have some real talks there if you're interested. I've also started streaming on Twitch. Link is in the description, and that's a lot of fun. I basically just stream whenever I want, whenever I feel like it, but I want to come up with a schedule at some point, but who knows if that will actually work for me. But yeah, I've been doing stuff, so if you want to find me other places, go for it. Still trying to keep up with YouTube, but it's been hard. I don't know. It's weird because, like, some days I just, like, am doing art, and then some days it's just, like, not gonna happen. It's just not gonna happen, but I did do a little bit of art today, and I'm gonna keep going for it, keep doing some art, hopefully. So thank you guys for listening to me. Thank you for being there for me, and I really appreciate everything. Yeah, just thank you so much, and I hope you enjoyed the unboxing. Thank you so much to all of my patrons, Ezsithyn, Artemystik, Kim, Rhian, Jill, and Ashley. You guys are the best, and I love you so much. Thank you for putting up with my craziness, and thank you everyone else too. I hope you guys are having a great day. Bye.